Today, we'll explore the specific actions and behaviors that make older men particularly appealing to younger women. These traits are often subtle, woven into their confidence, communication, and life experiences. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of these attractive qualities, giving you insights into the dynamics of these relationships. Ready to jump into what really draws younger women to older men? Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. And don't forget, we've got a special bonus tip at the end of the video that really brings everything together. It's an essential piece of advice that not only complements all the points we'll discuss, but also elevates your understanding of what makes these dynamics tick. Make sure to stick around for it. 1. Confidence. Confidence is like a magnet, especially when it comes to attraction. But what exactly makes confidence in older men so appealing to younger women? Let's dive in. Firstly, confidence in older men often comes from a place of experience. They've faced life's ups and downs, learned from them, and developed a solid sense of self-assurance. This kind of confidence is not about arrogance. It's about being comfortable in their own skin. It's about knowing who they are, what they want, and how they fit into the world. This is incredibly attractive for younger women as it provides a sense of security and stability. Furthermore, confident older men are often better communicators. They know how to express themselves clearly and listen effectively, creating a deeper level of understanding in relationships. They're also less likely to play games, knowing that honesty and directness make the way for meaningful connections. Remember, true confidence is quiet, not loud. It's about being assertive without being overbearing, and that's a balance that can truly enchant younger women. It's not just about what you've achieved, it's about how you carry those achievements and yourself. 2. Emotional maturity. Now, let's check out the world of emotional maturity. It's a term we often hear, but what does it really mean in the context of older men and younger women? Emotional maturity is a vital ingredient in the recipe for a healthy, balanced relationship. Let's explore why. Emotional maturity in older men is about understanding both their own and others' emotions. This maturity is born from a variety of life experiences, leading to a deeper understanding of emotional complexities. For younger women, this can be incredibly appealing. It means being with someone who can handle situations calmly and thoughtfully without overreacting or resorting to immaturity. An emotionally mature man is like a safe harbor in a storm. He offers a comforting presence, providing stability and support. He really listens to what his partner is saying, validating her feelings and offering insight when needed. This kind of emotional support is invaluable and creates a strong foundation for trust and intimacy. Moreover, emotional maturity is about being self-aware and empathetic. Older men often have the wisdom to know when to offer advice and when to simply be a supportive partner. They understand the balance between giving space and being affectionately present. 3. Stability. Let's turn our attention to stability, a trait often associated with older men. But why does stability resonate so strongly with younger women? It's time to unpack this concept and see what lies beneath. Stability in its essence is like a reliable anchor in the ever-changing tides of life. An older man's stability can be comforting and attractive for younger women. It's more about character stability, knowing what one wants in life and having a clear direction. This kind of stability speaks volumes about a person's ability to commit and persevere. Moreover, stability doesn't mean being boring or predictable. It's about being consistent in values and actions. It's the kind of consistency that creates a trustworthy environment where a younger woman can feel secure and valued. It's about providing a balanced life where adventure and serenity can coexist. I hope you're finding this video insightful. If so, how about showing a little support? A quick like, dropping a comment, or subscribing goes a long way. 4. Wisdom and knowledge. This isn't about academic degrees or encyclopedic facts. It's something more profound and attractive. Why do younger women find this aspect so compelling? Time to go deeper. Wisdom in older men only gets better with time. This wisdom comes from a lifetime of experiences, learning from both triumphs and failures. It's the kind of knowledge that can't be found in books but is earned through living. Younger women often find this appealing because it offers a different perspective on life, one that is seasoned and insightful. Moreover, an older man's knowledge isn't just about imparting lessons, but also about sharing stories that are enriching and thought-provoking. It's the kind of conversation that doesn't just pass the time but adds to it, making every moment spent together a learning opportunity. This intellectual connection can create a unique bond, where the exchange of ideas and experiences becomes the core of the relationship. But it's not all serious and philosophical. Wisdom and knowledge also mean having a great sense of humor about life. It's the ability to laugh at the past, enjoy the present, and look forward to the future. This balanced viewpoint is refreshing and can bring a lightness to the relationship. 5. Sophistication and charm. Let's shift our focus to the elegant world of sophistication and charm, particularly as they are represented by older men. These qualities are about much more than just manners. They're about a certain je ne sais quoi that can be incredibly appealing to younger women. Why is this so? Let's peel back the layers. Sophistication in older men isn't about being pretentious or aloof. It's about a refined understanding of life, an appreciation for quality, and a knack for making even the simplest moments feel special. This sophistication is often expressed through small gestures, a clever sense of humor, or an ability to converse on a wide range of topics. This can be a breath of fresh air for younger women, offering a taste of a more cultured and nuanced way of living. On the other hand, charm is that effortless ability to make someone feel genuinely valued and seen. It's not about empty flattery, but about sincere compliments, attentiveness, and the ability to engage in meaningful dialogue. An older man's charm can be disarming in the best way, breaking down barriers and creating a sense of ease and comfort. Together, sophistication and charm form a great mix. They create an atmosphere of respect and admiration, making every interaction memorable. It's not just about opening doors or knowing which wine to choose. It's about creating an experience that's both enriching and delightful. 6. Sense of adventure. Let's venture into the exciting world of adventure, a quality often found in older men that captivate younger women. Adventure isn't just about thrill-seeking, but a mindset and an approach to life that can be incredibly attractive. Why does this resonate so deeply with younger women? Time to explore this adventurous spirit. A sense of adventure in older men is about the willingness to embrace life, try new things, and see the world through a lens of curiosity and excitement. It's about not being confined by age or convention, but being open to the endless possibilities life offers. For younger women, this is invigorating. It's the thrill of being with someone who isn't just set in their ways, but is continuously evolving and growing. This adventurous spirit is also about intellectual and emotional adventures. It's about exploring new ideas, engaging in stimulating conversations, and being open to different perspectives. This creates a dynamic and enriching relationship where both partners can learn and grow together. Moreover, an older man's sense of adventure shows a zest for life that's infectious. It's about finding joy in both the grand journeys and the small, everyday adventures. This approach to life can make every day feel like a new chapter in an exciting story. And now for the bonus point, something often overlooked yet incredibly important, and that is genuine interest in her world. It's not just about what you bring to the table, but also how deeply you dive into her universe. Why is this so crucial? Let's dive into this fascinating aspect. Older men showing genuine interest in younger women's lives, passions, and thoughts creates a profound connection. This goes beyond mere curiosity. It's about valuing her as a complete person with her own experiences and perspectives. It demonstrates that you're not just interested in a superficial relationship, but in truly understanding who she is. This genuine interest can manifest in many ways. It might be remembering the little details she shares about her day, supporting her ambitions, or engaging in discussions about her interests. It's about creating a space where she feels heard, respected, and appreciated. This kind of attentiveness can be incredibly endearing and attractive. Moreover, this genuine interest creates a deeper, more meaningful bond. It's about building a relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. This approach shows that you value her for more than just her youth or what she brings to the relationship. You value her for her unique self. Now that you know what she's looking for, what's next for you? Discover the body language signs she likes you, or learn what mistakes you need to avoid. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.